So, hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So if brightness makes your photo lighter or darker, contrast makes the difference between a flat, boring image and a dynamic professional one. So contrast controls the difference between the darkest shadows and the brightest highlights in your photo. A low contrast image looks soft and hazy, the whites aren't very white and the blacks aren't very black. A high contrast image looks crisp and punchy. The whites are bright, the blacks are deep, and everything pops. But too much contrast can make your face look hard and unnatural at all. So creating sharp shadows under your eyes and chin, FaceApp's contrast adjustment lets you find the sweet spot. According to the official FaceApp blog, professional edits combine contrast adjustment with other settings. One recommended recipe uses contrast plus 30 alongside brightness minus 30, shadows minus 25, saturation minus 15, sharpen plus 25, and grain plus 35. So in this guide I will show you how to use contrast effectively. Let's get into it. So first and first, you can access the adjust tool. It's basically easy. Open your photo in FaceApp, you will see something like this. Find the contrast slider. So in the adjust menu, look at the contrast slider. It's usually represented by a circle icon that's basically half black, I would say, and there is also the half white. Just tap to select it, then adjust the contrast appropriately. So increase contrast if your photo looks flat, hazy, or even washed out. Drag the slider to the right, start with plus 10, plus 20. Be careful with portrait. Too much contrast can basically would be too much. So basically, as I said, whatever. So balance contrast with other settings. That's what you should do. Then make sure everything is looking fine and save the photo. So that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.